Hi, welcome to another tutorial. I'm going to show you how to split face a wall. So if you ever want to paint a different section of your wall, you can do that. So go over to the top and click on the button split face, and then there you'll want to click on the wall that you want to split. And as you can see, it's surrounded by orange lines like the whole wall, and so what you want to do to start off, start creating your design of how you want to split the wall. Split the face of the wall, and I'm just doing a stepping stair design to show you really clearly, and I connected each line of each orange line with the pink line. So when you're done, click the check mark, and as you can see, you've clearly split the face of the wall, and so if you type in PT for paint, you can paint the split wall that you did. And so now you can play with materials and figure out how the design of the wall you want to make it look like. And so that's how you split face and paint the wall of your choosing. Thank you.